Dear friends, today I will be explaining the movements along a demand curve or variation in demand or extension and contraction of demand. What are movements along a demand curve? Demand changes. Sometimes there is a rise in demand and sometimes there is a fall in demand. Demand changes due to what? Due to change in its own price. Due to change in the price of the product, the demand changes. Sometimes there is a rise or sometimes there is a fall in demand, and other factors affecting the demand will remain same. Other factors affecting the demand will remain same. There is no change in other factors such as income, population, advertisement expense. This will remain same. Till then the demand rises sometimes falls. Change is there. It is because of what? Change in its price, and that is called as movement along a demand curve or variation demand, or we can say expansion or extension and contraction of demand. So that is if you are defining in terms of diagram, that diagrammatically there will be upward or downward movement on the same demand curve, or the movement will be there on the demand curve from left to right and right to left. So it includes two aspects. One is extension of demand. What by extension of demand? Extension of demand means the demand rises. Due to what? Due to fall in its price. When the price of the product is less, the demand for the product is more, and that is called as extension of demand. It means rise in demand due to fall in its price. Other factors affecting the demand will remain same. Diagrammatically, there will be shift movement is there on the same demand curve from left to right, or downward movement is there on the same demand curve. So that you have to show with the help of diagram. First you have to mark the axis, then you have to label it. What is shown on x-axis and what is shown on y-axis. Quantity demanded, it is on x-axis, and price, that is on y-axis. Then you have to write the demand curve. So this is our demand curve. So that is when the one point you have to mark on the y-axis, that is a P, OP. Assume that the price of the product is OP. What is the demand? You have to find out. Join it to the up to the demand curve, you will get point A. Then x-axis, you will get quantity. So when the price is OP, what is the quantity demanded? OQ. Now the price falls from OP to OP1. What is the demand? Now quantity demanded increases from OQ to OQ1. That is the draw the line where it touch the demand curve, that is the point B. Join it to the x-axis, and this is the OQ1. Quantity demanded is OQ1. So there is increase in the quantity demanded due to fall in price, and that is called as extension of demand. So the movement is there from point A to B, from left to right, or downward movement, and that is called as extension of demand. So you have to explain it. Quantity demanded is shown on x-axis and price on y-axis. DD is the demand curve. When the price is OP, quantity demanded at the beginning is OQ. Due to fall in price from OP to OP1, quantity demanded increase from OQ to OQ1. That is, there is downward movement on the same demand curve from point A to B is there. or the movement is there on the same demand curve from left to right, and that is called as extension of demand. Then the second aspect is contraction of demand. What by contraction of demand? Demand falls due to what? Due to rise in price only. Other factors affecting the demand will remain same. Income will remain same, population will remain same, price of substitute, everything will remain same. Other factors will not change. Till then the demand falls. It is due to what? Rise in price. So diagrammatically it is defined as contraction of demand. It refers to what? Movement is there on the same demand curve from right to left, or there is an upward movement on the same demand curve. So this you have to show with the help of a diagram. First you have to mark the axis and label it. Price it is shown on y-axis, and quantity demanded is shown on x-axis. Then you have to mark one demand curve. So now mark it little down. So because you have to show in rise in price. Price of the product is OP. What is the demand? Join up to the demand curve. Mark this point as B and join it to the x-axis. What is the meaning of it? When the price is OP, what is the quantity demanded? Quantity demanded is OQ. Now rise in price. Mark above the P and write P2. When the price rises, increases, arrow mark. What is the demand? This is A. Join it to the x-axis. You will get quantity. Quantity is Q2. There is decrease in the quantity demanded from OQ to OQ2. So when the price is more, the demand is less. Earlier it was OQ and now it is OQ2. So the movement is there on the same demand curve from point B to A. That is called as contraction. Upward movement on the same demand curve, or movement is there on the demand curve from right to left. B to A, right to left, is called contraction of demand. You have to explain the diagram. Quantity demanded is shown on x-axis and price on y-axis. DD is the demand curve. When the price is OP, quantity demanded at the beginning is OQ. Due to rise in price from OP to OP2, quantity demanded decreases from OQ to OQ2. So there is upward movement on the same demand curve from point B to A, or the movement is there on the same demand curve from right to left, and it is called as contraction of demand. Thank you.